Hey! So today is a very sad and sentimental day because it's time for my old desk to go. And that desk and I have been through hell and back. I've had mental breakdowns behind that desk back when I was studying, done editing behind it, photography started for me behind it. I first opened Lightroom behind it, so we've been through a lot, but it needs to go because it's literally not good for my back. And I'm sure you can relate, but I'm sitting like a Smeagol behind my computer editing my photos and videos, and it's just, first of all, not charming. Second of all, it's just not good for my back. So it needs to go. I've already have a replacement for it. It's waiting for us downstairs. I'm so excited to unpack it. So what my current desk looks like right now is just a mess. So you're in for a big declutter session. I love those videos actually personally. It's my guilty pleasure watching other people clean up. It motivates me to start cleaning. Hopefully this video will also inspire you to sort of like take it on with both hands and just give it a big fat clean. So I should stop rambling and start cleaning. So I haven't sorted out this desk ever since I got it, and that's like what, like 5 years ago? Yeah, we're gonna come across some interesting things, I think. An old receipt from New York when I went to get bagels. I found something 16-year-old Faye absolutely loved. This is literally a mouse mat. Come across one of my first ever photos I've shot. Look at that positioning. Beautiful. I have a photo of myself, I think I was like, what, 18 here? With my 200D, Canon 200D, my first ever proper camera. And then I also came across this photo, and this is one of my first ever car photos I've shot. With the pop-up flash thing on the top. Oh, my hand's shaking. I rarely hold the camera like this, so I'm like, trying to hold it steady, but okay, so I took out all of the crap from my desk, but I didn't think about this one because my next desk is not gonna have any drawers. I might have to go to IKEA now to get a set of drawers, like a little shelf closet thingy. Oh. Alright, I sort of have a problem because I went to go to my car and my car wasn't there. And to get the shelf, I obviously need a car because where else I'm gonna store it? Yeah, my dad took my car, but now we sort of have a solution. Mike is gonna get his car, but it's a supercar and it only has 2 seats and barely any room to store anything. Fingers crossed. As you can see, it's not that big.
You know, Jeremy Clarkson said this car is the most practical supercar you can buy.
Well, we're gonna put it to the test. Hey, sir.
Oh, what are we even complaining about? It's not even
It's tiny!
How do they do that?
How did they
do that?
How did they?
How do they do that? How do they do that? How do they do that? Okay. This will fit in the car. I can almost smell it.
And then this doesn't. Watch out for the car, watch out! Oh, and...
Oh!
Yeah! Oh, it looked, for a second it looked like it.
Toes?
Yep. Way, it fits! Thanks! Okay, so ignore the mess around me. I'm cleaning up so I can make a mess. I'm allowed to. Something very exciting just came into the mail. Can you already guess what it is? When you look at the size, the length. So it's time for an unboxing. The first unboxing on my channel. Wow. It is a new tripod. And I'm so overdue for a new tripod. I'm so due for a new tripod, one of those sentences. I need a new tripod. You're currently standing on one and I love this one, but it's very, very heavy. It's literally 5 kilograms. And when I take it on my travels, it's not very efficient because I also want to bring clothes, makeup, shoes, maybe some extra lenses. So yeah, I feel like a tripod should be light. And over here, like, ooh, don't throw it on the ground. But this thing is so light. The cool part about this tripod is that it's made of carbon fiber. And when I hear carbon fiber, I think of Lamborghinis that are specced out with carbon fiber, Ferraris, not a tripod. Ulanzi made this tripod and it's so tiny. Oh, look at it. I don't know if you're like a geek nerd. No, not a geek nerd. What? Like a gear nerdy, but I am. Like, I love new gear and just, yes. This tripod is 0.40 kilograms. That's not much. Together with Ulanzi, I can give away one of these tripods. So you make a chance to win this one. And I'm so excited about this because I've never done a giveaway on this channel before. So for everything is the first time. So if you stick along to the end of this video, I'll share with you how you can win this tripod and some things you need to do. Okay, let's move on because we still have a lot of stuff to do.
Like go on your foot. Oh, you alright, babe? Like go right onto your toe.
Yeah, onto these.
Babe, let me use some ice.
What's that?
I don't know. We don't need it.
A little bit. Oh yes.
Very nice.
I'm so happy with that.
And now.
Oh. It's going. Oh.
You're gonna hit your head.
Beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop boop boop.
Can I work here too?
Yes.
Yay.
You have a membership?
No. Can I sign up?
We'll do that after.
Okay.
I'll get to the paperwork.
I reckon it's time to get a fucking coffee.
Okay, let's go. Compilation incoming, guys. Coffee compilation. Opday, opday.
Oh.
Ja, kom een print ophalen. Een canvas print. Wow, dat is wel heel vet, hè? Vet. It's raining, so this helps. And I've actually never printed any of my work ever. And there's just something so special to printing your own photos. It's just, yeah, now I get to look at it every day. New addition to my bedroom slash makeup room slash workspace slash edit room slash everything. This is the final result and I am so incredibly happy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've already had a little editing session behind my desk and it was just so nice to sit in a clean space that is organized. It's inspiring to sit behind. Yes, I'm all here for it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. But now, time for this guy over here, because you can win this tripod. This is the X-Cross F38 carbon fiber tripod from Ulanzi, and I'm so incredibly happy with it. All you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also the YouTube channel of Ulanzi, and you can find that in the description box. And the last and final step, leave your Instagram handle as a comment in the comment section here on YouTube down here, and then I can tag you on Instagram, because I'll be announcing the winner in 1 week on my Instagram stories. So in 1 week on Sunday, on the 3rd of September, I'll be announcing who the winner is of this beautiful tripod, so stay tuned for that. I would say that's pretty easy. First giveaway on the channel, and let's go for many, many more. So that is it. Maybe you can also tell, I'm so incredibly happy with how everything turned out. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely had so much fun creating this one, and yeah, I also hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye. Doei! Wait, maybe a little side note, my toes are fine. It's always when you stub your toe or drop something on your toes, it feels like living hell. It's so painful, but I'm all good. Just a big learning curve for me, not to walk on bare feet when you're tinkering. I like that word. When you're tinkering around the house. So yeah, learn from my mistakes. Okay, doei!